Hey everybody, we're going to try my third time metal detecting. The other day when I was out here, I found a can, and I only had a knife to dig with. This time I got a shovel. And there's Junior rolling in the leaves. I guess it must feel good. Okay, now after finding a whole bunch of chattery type signals out here, what I did was I went on to the county and I checked this property, and it seems that the footprint where this house was built 10 years ago. The footprint where this house is, at one time in the 20s, was a barn, and then they converted it into a tractor and truck repair shop. So there's probably all kinds of scrap out here we're going to find. Right now, I've got it set. You see the sensitivity? What I've got it set at is where it stops picking up the nail that I had to air test it. And I've got the discriminate turned all the way up. And I've got it set on tone. So let's see what we get. I'm not going to carry the shovel around with me. It's not that far. So the snow just disappeared, so we got some crap laying out here I need to get cleaned up. Now I know there's a can buried out here because I found it out here the last time I was out here. That's the shovel. Let's get the shovel up out of here. Now this thing, I just did an air test on it. The way it's set, my rusty nail, it pretty much doesn't pick it up at all. And we're not picking up the rebar and the cement. I don't know what that is, but we'll dig it up and see. It's our first signal. Let's see what we got. Now, where was it? I believe it was right here. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. There's a lot of gravel in here. Let me lay this down while I shovel. Try and get both hands on it. Oh, boy, area must have been gravel at one time. Something a little smaller. Still deeper. And you'll notice I don't have my rings on. I don't know, guys, maybe dynamite would do it. Wait a minute, I know something that'll dig down in there. I had a screwdriver here. I had a better screwdriver than that, but this will work. This one will work. Wave it for what? Wait, what was that? Looked like something shiny. I should have guessed. It's a can. There's some more. There's some more. There's more down in there. Holy crap. I ought to leave it, but I'll try and get it all out. Well, God only knows how long that can has been down in there. But I would dearly like to get it out. But you know what? I'm afraid I'm not going to dig any more gravel up there. He's going to stay there. Let's see what time it is. Going on 4 o'clock. Yeah, can't be too much longer. I got to be going back in. Okay, let's go. Let's take another little. Yep. Okay, let's go for a little bit further up here. That's not the can I had the other day. We're going to leave that for now. Right there. I would dearly like to get out of this gravel. Okay, now where was it? Right there. Okay, I'm going to lay you down here again while I shovel. See if the shovel will go through the gravel. Maybe there's no gravel out in here. Aha. Okay, I think we got it out. Nope, there it is. Okay, well, anyway, yeah, it works. That's what we got. No steel, and there should be a lot of it out in here, so discriminate on the steel. Seems to be working pretty good on the iron. Okay, we're going to shut it off. I got to go in and get dressed. Mama wants to go out tonight. We'll talk at you again another day when we get a chance to get out here and the ground's soft. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye. Hey everybody, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you liked that last video. If you did, click on the bottom and give me a thumbs up on it. Write a comment. Subscribe would be great. If you'd like to see more videos on numerous different things that I find people might find interesting, you go over here. At the end of this little skit, you'll see a thumbs up icon. Click on that and it'll take you right to, I believe, all the rest of my videos. Once again, appreciate comments, thumbs up, subscribing would be great. Take care.